and many other diseases also. To this extent, to bring my story here, my mother sold the vegetables and fruits in Gulbarga on the roadside. So there was no food in our house. So we used to eat only this, fruits only for our survival. That is how we never went to the hospital. None of us we went to the hospital. So that is how this vegetable and green vegetable helps us quite a lot. So if some of you are not liking these green vegetables and colored foods, please start from today and you say how helpful it is. And as far as I request mother to take the children to the temples also. Visiting temple gives us a lot of peace. What we have problem is now there is no peace. So we have to go to the temples. There we get lot of peace. That is all the requirement for our brain, so that our children will score more and more with a lot of peace around them. That comes under good habit. Secrets for the students. Habit is life. Whatever habit I have got, that is a manifestation. So we should concentrate on good things in life. That is good thinking, good thoughts. Stop complaining. We should stop complaining about others, because complaining takes lot of time and energy that will waste our time. And we should learn not to disturb others. We should learn not to disturb others. And we should understand as students or children or anyone that we cannot change our parentage. This is what one sadhu has told, and I have liked this sentence very much. We cannot change our parentage. So whatever parent I have got with me, that I have to adjust with that parentage. I have to accept that parentage. And listen to your parents, good teachers and good friends. That will help you quite a lot to build your life. Truth telling is again a good habit. I talk only the truth throughout my life, because my teachers were truth telling people, and my friends, everyone around us, and parents especially. My father, he is 97 years old. He is a freedom fighter, and he believes in truth. So we believe in truth. And I encourage that you have to visit the library. These great people have written the books, and sitting in the library, it is like making friendship with those great people. I heard that great trustees are built this Bodhar Institute, and that made me to come and stand in front of you. It is like meeting those great heroes with great vision. They have started great institution, and it is going everywhere. Maybe in the future you are going to save this country. That is how I felt looking into your brochure. It's a very, very great institution you are. As it was very clearly seen, take interest in your sports, and which you are already doing. That helps us planning, and that gives us exercise, and that gives us lot of things to take success and failure as part of the game. So that if you do not score little at one point of time, no problem. You should not feel very bad. You should not compare yourself with other fellow. But you can try again. You should not feel bad and all that. laziness. I should control the anger. In anger, I should not do all, disturbing everyone. I should not act in that anger. I should cool down myself for some time so that you will know what is right, what is wrong after some time. I should work with jealousness zero. If somebody is scoring very high, 100%, I should not feel bad. I should be very, very happy with that person, one who has scored. All my friends, they used to score total 100. I used to be very happy. I used to, score like them. And it is possible to score like them. My students, my friends were all 100% scorers. My highest score was 96 in the 5th standard when I was in zoology. Zoology my pet subject. And my father told me to become surgeon when I was a 5th standard student. I said yes, and today I am in front of you all. And hatredness should vanish from us. We should tolerate each and everyone around us. Because hatredness gives you a lot of worry and it's not going to help us in any way. Friends, today we are all in search of peace and happiness, and teachers can create this. The Sanskrit word for teachers is Guru. GU indicates darkness, RU indicates that which removes the darkness. Today the crisis of the nation is the crisis of character. Nana Falkiwal, a very famous advocate, he says, enlightened citizens cannot be produced in the factory. Thus, teachers are the torch bearers of change. Change for the whole nation and for the whole world. I am a fan of Dr. Abdul Kalam, where in one book, Dr. Kalam in his book 2020, A Vision of the New Millennium writes, if you are a teacher, in whatever capacity, you have a very special role to play. Because more than you, anybody else, it is you who are shaping the future generation. So all children will come here. I told my father that he wanted all the time me to be the surgeon. I used to fight with my father that I want to become teacher. So only I am here, I think. Every year I get one annual day celebration invitation. Because I used to argue with my father, if I become a very good teacher, that my students will become prime ministers, presidents and all that. Why you want me to become surgeon? So everything happens here in the school. We have to concentrate on that. Today, you have best example, our Prime Minister. So you see, there in the America, he tells, I was sold, tea to come to Prime Minister place. So who knows what is available in the democracy, in which family, God only knows. Teachers play the most important role in shaping the students as enlightened citizens. Friends, all over the world, there is lack of peace of mind. If we have to have mental peace and world peace, we must have spiritual culture. I must go to the temple. Whenever time permits, I go to the temple. There is one Shada Matha in Atinagar. It's so very beautiful. I was searching for such temple, such Matha for the last 30 years. Somehow like annual day they invited me. It's so very peaceful. in such a big place like Bangalore. So where you get everything there, whatever you want, you get there. You experience there. If you go there, you will know all that. Friends, I wish Podar will build a beautiful and wonderful nation. I'm sure about that. The way things are happening here, it's very, very wonderful school as such and institution and that brand as such, Podar. I will stop my talk with the powerful message of Swami Vivekananda. My favorite sadhu he is. Arise, awake and stop not till a goal is reached. Arise, awake and stop not till a goal is reached. Arise, awake and stop not till a goal is reached. Thank you all. Jai Podar, Jai Hind.
With experiences.
Cultural events add a sparkle to every program. To start with, we have the invocation dance to invoke the blessing of Almighty.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि चतुराय गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुपुरस्ताय विक्रमाय गृहदोराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैवतनक्षेत्रे गंगा जल प्रणवती धनाय गौरी हिरण्यनंदनाय गंगाधाम सुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरी प्रणयाय गौरी प्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
So sit back and enjoy this roller coaster ride of emotions.
Good job. I will check and let you know about your work. Wow, it's too good. Very nice. And what about you? Have you completed the painting I asked you to do? I don't deliver it as told to know.
No, sir. Still, I have to give finishing touches to it. I have kept it for drying. Tomorrow, first thing in the morning, I will complete it and it will be ready by tomorrow's afternoon.
Good job. बहुत बढ़िया. Don't please. Who was that? Me. I don't like to be alone in dark. Is this real? Or am I imagining this? This is real. Please look at me. Was it you? Yes, master. It was me. But you can't speak. I have wanted to speak from long time. But it's as good but you're only a statue. How can you speak? A statue, yes, but not for long. Except to beat a heart that desires to be human. You're made of clay from the earth. I made you with my own hands. You cannot be a human. ये कैसे हो सकता है? Yes, but as you formed me, I felt the touch of your hands. When you shaded my eyes, when you made my ears, I listened to you speaking to yourself and humming the tune. And as you worked and my body took shape, I felt my heart beating within me too. Now I long to be human just like you. मैं आपकी तरह इंसान बनना चाहता हूँ. ये कैसे हो सकता है? It's not just possible. I must be going mad. क्यों? क्या हुआ? Is it so hard to believe? Ever since you have laid me here, I have longed to get up, to talk to you, to walk with you, to live life like you. क्या ये नहीं हो सकता? But the humans are different. Even the other living creatures, the plants and the animals are different from us. Tell me, how are the other living things different from you? They have shape, you have shape, I have shape. They agree. What's the answer there? Tell me, put your hands on my chest. Do you feel my body rising and falling? They eat. वो खाना खाते हैं. Every day I see you eating. Your food smells so yummy. I wish you eat. I don't think it will be difficult to learn. They feel. वो महसूस करता है. मैं भी फील कर सकता हूँ. इसमें क्या है? और ये तो समझा नहीं. It's not just feeling. We feel joy, pain, anger, excitement, and hurt, and different emotions. And is that what makes you human? These emotions? Yes. Then I learn to have these emotions too. Will you help me understand or rather teach me? Please not go. I'm not sure. But I'm not sure. Please tell me. I'm going crazy. gave me Rahul that dress for an exhibition. I said to him, yes, but no, you're more than that. You're a seeker, a hopeful. तुम तो मनुष्य बनना चाहते हो. ठीक है, आज से तुम्हारा नाम मानव होगा. बोलो, नाम पसंद आया? बहुत अच्छा है, love it. What a nice name. It will be a first step to become human. Yes, you just said it. You love your name. And this is the first and perhaps the greatest emotion called love. But you know nothing about it and its expressions as yet. You have a lot of learning ahead of you. So come on, let's get going on our journey.